Hi everyone, I'm Katie and possibly not who you were expecting to see in this introduction. I will hand you off to Pasan in a minute. He originally recorded this course in November of 2019, so you may wonder if everything in here will still work. Well, I'm here to tell you I went through this course myself in September of 2020. All of the concepts and code Pasan covers here still provide an excellent introduction to collection views, and you should be able to follow along without any trouble. I've updated all of the materials for Swift 5.3, Xcode 12, and iOS 14 for you. I also addressed a few bugs that were found in the original starter projects. As you work through this course, check the author notes for any important changes and links to further resources and documentation. With that, I'll hand things over to Pasan. Have fun!
Hi folks, I'm Pasan, and in this course, you're going to learn how to use collection views to display information in flexible, grid-based layouts. Now, if that doesn't get you excited, it should. Collection views are really powerful and are widely used in all sorts of apps. In the Photos app, albums are displayed in a scrolling list with each album as an item in a grid. The Apple Music app uses collection views inside of rows to display albums or playlists. Even an app like Instagram is designed primarily using collection views. Perhaps my favorite example of the flexibility of collection views, though, is the App Store on iOS. Inside of the larger collection view, each row contains a nested collection view that organizes the data in different layouts and sizes. As you can see, you can achieve quite a bit using collection views, and in this course, you're going to learn many of the ways you can do that. So, what are we going to build? We'll start off simple and build a basic layout that displays numbers in lists and grids. There are lots of moving parts to collection views, and by starting simple, you can focus on the individual building blocks without getting tied down in the customization details. Collection views have been around for quite a while, since iOS 6 in fact. But in iOS 13, they were supercharged, and we now have two distinct ways to define layout and organize data in a collection view. For your second project, you're going to build an emoji library app, somewhat similar to the emoji keyboard in the Messages app. But you'll do this using what I'll refer to as the old school way. While the iOS 13 APIs put more power at your fingertips, nearly all the code out there uses the older APIs, so it's important for you to know how to use it. For the rest of the course, we're going to focus on our main event. For the longest time, I've wanted a raywenderlake.com app on my phone so I can watch courses on the go. You're going to help build this app. The app is going to use collection views to display information using different layouts. A library page with all the courses laid out, along with a detail view that shows videos for each course. But you're not going to stop there. Collection views aren't just used to display information. Our users expect to interact with the data as well, so you're going to build features to add and remove content from a personal queue. We'll end by looking at how we can update the app as courses on the web get updated. Before we get started, let's make sure we're on the same page. In order to take this course, you should have a good grasp of iOS fundamentals and the Swift programming language. Make sure you check out the Your First iOS and Swift UI app and Your First iOS and UI Kit app courses, as well as the Programming in Swift course to get up to speed. You should also have some experience working with table views and auto layout. Beginning table views and beginning auto layout are great introductions. All of those courses are included with your raywenderlake.com subscription, so take advantage. This course will build on your knowledge of Swift and general iOS development. Let's jump right in.